What's up guys, my tutorials on here, and today I'm going to show you how to install the official Android 4.1.2 Jelly Bean on a Samsung Galaxy S2 GT-I9100. So let's start guys. First, turn off your device by pressing power key, power off, okay. Okay guys, after turning off your device, enter your device into the down mode by pressing volume down key plus home key. By holding both keys similarly, turn on your device. Okay guys, now this screen will be appear here. It's saying a warning, a custom OS can cause a critical problem in a phone and install applications. If you want to download a custom OS, press the volume up key, otherwise press the volume down key to cancel. So just hit the volume up key. Okay guys, here you're successfully entered in the down mode. Now just come to PC. Okay guys, here download this file, that link in description below is the Android 4.1.2 Jelly Bean XXLSJ.RAR. So after downloading this file, extract the file using WinRAR. Password of the file is tutorials.com. Okay guys, after extracting file, open the extracted folder Android 4.1.2 Jelly Bean XXLSJ. And in this folder we'll get 6 files with one folder. It's called odin3_version 3.04. So just open the odin3 folder. And here we get the odin application. This is odin3 version 3.04 application for Windows. So just open this application. Okay guys, now just select the PDF file right here as CODE code 9100 XXLSJ.tar file from the extract folder. Then select the phone file as modem_9100 XXLS6.tar from extract folder. Then select the CSC file as CSC home OXX 9100 OXXLS1.tar from extract folder. Now come to device, and here to connect your device to the PC using USB cable right here. And after connecting your device to the PC, you will get blue color OS COM port box. Now just hit the start button. Okay guys, after getting past text over this COM port box, just close on and come to device. Okay guys, here you have to remove USB cable from device. Okay guys, after rebooting your device, you will get this boot screen. Now you have to turn off your device by removing your battery. Just remove your back cover, remove your battery. Reinstall your battery, reinstall your back cover. Okay guys, now your device is turned off. Now enter your device into the recovery mode by pressing volume up key plus home key. By holding both keys similarly, turn on your device. Okay guys, here successfully entered in the recovery mode. This is Android official recovery. To scroll down or up, use your volume rocker keys. To select any option from this menu, just press the power key. So let's start guys. First select the wipe data factory set. Then select S, delete all user data. Then select the wipe cache partition. Then select the reboot system now. Okay guys, after rebooting your device, we'll get this screen. This is welcome screen from Samsung Galaxy. Now first select your language that you want. I'm selecting English United Kingdom. Then hit the next or start. Then hit the next. Then if you want to connect your Wi-Fi, just connect. If not, just hit the skip. Then hit the next. Skip. If you want to add a Google account, you can add. If not, select no. Then hit the not now. Then hit the next. Type your name that you want, then hit the next. Said no thanks. If you want, just log in your Dropbox account on there. Then hit the finish. Okay. Okay guys, after following this video, you have successfully installed the Android 4.1.2 Jelly Bean official firmware from Samsung on the Samsung Galaxy S2 GT-I9100. So guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe, rate, comment, please share this video. You can also like us on our Facebook page, that link in description below. So guys, thanks for watching.